How to create a MetaTrader 5 account. Step 1. Go to a broker that supports MetaTrader 5 like XNES, IC Markets, FXTM, or T4Trade. Go to their website and click Open Live Account. Step 2. Fill out the registration form with your name, email, phone number, country, and password. Step 3. Select MetaTrader 5 as your platform and pick your account type like Standard or ECN. Step 4. Upload your ID document like passport or driver's license, and sometimes a proof of address. Step 5. Once your documents are verified, your broker will email you your MT5 login details including account number, server name, and trader password. Step 6. Open the MetaTrader 5 app or desktop version, tap Login to existing account, search your broker's name, and enter the login info. Step 7. You are now inside your real trading account, ready to fund and place trades. And that's it!